Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put Celsius in Excel. First, you can simply type your temperature value, like 25, into a cell. To add the degree symbol, hold down the Alt key and type 0176 on your numeric keypad. This inserts the degree symbol, followed by a capital C for Celsius, giving you 25 degrees Celsius. This is a quick way for individual entries. For a more automated approach, use custom number formatting. Select the cells where you want to display Celsius temperatures. Right-click and choose Format Cells, then navigate to the Custom category. In the Type box, enter 0.0 degrees C or 0 degrees C if you don't need decimals. Now, when you type a number, Excel will automatically append the degree Celsius symbol, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your data. Another excellent method involves using Excel's char function. This function returns a character specified by a number code. For the degree symbol, the code is 176. So, you can type a formula like equals 25 ampersand char open parenthesis 176 close parenthesis ampersand quote C quote. This formula will display 25 degrees C as text, which is useful for combining numbers and symbols dynamically. Finally, let's look at converting Fahrenheit to Celsius directly in Excel. If you have a Fahrenheit temperature, say 77 degrees in cell A1, you can convert it using a simple formula. In another cell, type equals open parenthesis A1 minus 32 close parenthesis times 5 divided by 9. This calculation will give you the equivalent temperature in Celsius, which would be 25 degrees. You can then apply custom formatting to display the degree Celsius symbol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.